Are you ready to unlock the secret to a financially secure retirement? Many retirees miss out on thousands of dollars simply because they overlook the impact of taxes on their retirement income. At Davies Wealth Management, we know that tax-efficient retirement strategies are the key to maximizing your savings and minimizing your tax burden. Imagine keeping more of your hard-earned money and less in the hands of the IRS. Tax planning is crucial, yet often neglected. Many believe they'll fall into a lower tax bracket in retirement, but that's not always the case. Strategic withdrawals, Roth IRA conversions, and understanding the tax treatment of different income types are vital. Tailoring these strategies to your unique situation can extend your retirement portfolio's longevity and increase your after-tax income. Professional guidance can make all the difference. With expert advice, you can navigate the complexities of tax laws and retirement planning, ensuring your golden years are truly golden. Embrace tax-efficient strategies today and secure your financial future.